Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video.
In today's video, we'll learn how to check RAM usage on your Mac using a built-in tool, so you can see which apps are using memory and whether your Mac has enough RAM available. To get started, open Spotlight Search by pressing Command and Space together on your keyboard. Type Activity Monitor and open it from the search results. Once Activity Monitor launches, give it a few seconds to collect and display system information. If it opens on the CPU tab, click the Memory tab at the top. Here you'll find a memory pressure graph that gives you a quick overview of how efficiently your Mac is handling memory. A green graph means everything is running normally and there is enough memory available. If it turns yellow, your Mac is starting to work harder to manage memory. A red graph usually indicates that memory resources are running low and performance may be affected. Below the graph, you'll see several useful details. Physical memory shows the total RAM installed in your Mac. Memory used tells you how much RAM is currently in use. Cached files represents memory that macOS keeps available to help apps open and respond faster. Swap used shows how much storage space is temporarily being used as extra memory when RAM becomes limited. If you're finding this guide helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac and iPhone tutorials. To find out which apps are using the most memory, look at the Memory column in the process list. You can click the column header to sort apps from highest to lowest memory usage. This makes it easy to identify resource-heavy applications. If you want to free up memory, select an app from the list and click the Stop button near the top of the window. Then choose Quit for a normal shutdown or Force Quit if the app is not responding. As an extra tip, if your Mac feels slow and you notice high swap used values, closing unused apps and browser tabs can often improve performance without restarting your computer. That's all it takes to monitor RAM usage on your Mac using Activity Monitor, with no additional software required. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.